Hey, how's it going? So we're here at Quartzsite, Arizona. You can see behind me, see all these people here. It's the metal detecting club. So you got about, I don't know, there's probably at least 50 people, 60 people here, all gonna go out here. They've got a huge field set up over here and quadrant off. I think there's a couple different areas, and then people just go out and they'll metal detect, and they've hidden coins out there, and then they've also hidden what do you call them? Well, they're special coins, right? And so they have a number on them, or for the club kind of thing. And then if you get one of those, depending on the number on it, I believe you win a specific prize. So they're giving away metal detectors, they're giving away silver, nice silver dollar, old silver dollar coins, gold nuggets, all sorts of cool stuff, and then a ton of other prizes that people have donated. But you can see behind me, look at all these people out here, right? Pretty awesome. We'll probably throw the drone up when they go out there and do it, because it's going to be like a bunch of cockroaches out here in the field looking for coins and all that kind of stuff. So pretty cool. Anyways, but yeah, we'll light it up with the drone and see what happens. All right, cool. Come on, let's walk through. Right on. So everyone's here for the metal detecting club, young and old, and gonna go out here and try and find their fortunes.
Is that a long leash so he can go out further?
Yeah, when I take her for walks, normally it's about a 20-foot lead, and so she can just kind of do her own thing and have fun, but still got control of her. And then it's nice for me, so when I'm in stores or public, I can shorten it up and have more control. Yeah, and then what I just bought a normal leash online, and then I actually put a carabiner on it because I can lock it, and yeah, so it, yeah. 7 years old. Right on.
A lot of gray already, huh?
Yeah, it might be. I've seen. I got her 5 weeks old from the Lakota Sioux Reservation, Standing Rock, North Dakota, and she was out of a dumpster, so I don't know her parents, but I've seen an Akita German Shepherd mix, and they could have been brother or sister except for the eyes, and so that might be the gray around the muzzle, might be the Akita coming out. Yeah, so yeah,
Beautiful.
thank you. Right on. Yeah, okay. So everyone's in line to get their tickets. Here we go. Here's all the prizes. Look at that. All sorts of good stuff. Baskets, coolers, blankets, yarn, tools, a couple detectors, some coins, some cash, all sorts of good stuff. Hey, okay, come on, let's go this way. Oh, look at this, just tons of people. It's awesome. And it's just a fun event, you know. You might find treasure, you never know, but it's just a fun event. You can come down and share a hobby with other people. And then look at that, they got that big, how much is that?
No, not this one.
Oh, in 1983.
Okay, come on. Hey, come on.
It's probably going to turn me down.
Oops. Hey, watch. Hi.
How are you?
Good, how are you?
County?
All sorts of good stuff. Pay dirt, you can buy pay dirt.
Well, I'm not that.
Holy moly.
A mile.
I should tell Ron.
No, not at all. No.
And then, hey, come here. Let's go look down
You
here.
sniff them out too?
Actually, wherever she digs, I always end up detecting, because you never know. You never know. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Big asset.
Yeah, it's funny though. We do it down by the beach a lot, and then I do it up in Idaho. And whenever I'm detecting and digging, she's watching me, and then she's digging. It's pretty funny. So I always go over her holes just in case. You never know. All right, come on. Hey, hey, hey. He'll eat you. Come on, he'll eat you. Run. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Right on. Pretty cool. All right. Hey. So everyone's kind of lining up here, and they get their spot here, and then they're gonna hustle out here and start swinging. So, but we might go. Where should we launch from? All right. Well, we're gonna find a launch spot and get that drone up, and yeah, cool. Come on. All right, everyone's lining up right now. You can see them. They're marching in, getting ready to find that gold and coins, actually just coins, and they're all the way around this whole dirt area. You can see pretty awesome. All right, we got enough satellites. We're gonna fly our drone and see what happens from above. Yeah, should be pretty cool. All right. Good luck.
Thank you. Good luck.
Any last words?
Gotta be lucky.
That's right.
Yeah, that's it.
It pays to be lucky.
Yeah, that's it.
And
Better to be lucky than good.
It's just the luck of where you go. That's it.
bird shot.
You can pick up as many coins as you want, but you're not gonna find those tokens. It's just the luck of the draw.
There you go.
Go on. Because it's a piece of bird shot and you'll never find it.
Oh, okay. Okay, good.
I've been working on it. I've been bringing a magnet out here and digging a lot of it up.
Oh.
So,
That only works on steel shot. The lead shot is still there.
yeah.
Got the GoPro on.
I've got.
You get a video of the event?
Yeah, I got the drone too.
Oh, you
Yeah,
got the drone?
yeah.
I got a 900.
How long can you keep that drone up?
About 20 minutes. Yeah, yeah.